Have you ever wondered how, even though the sun is so much bigger than the moon, they appear to be the same size in the sky? Or how the moon can cover up the sun and cause a total solar eclipse? Let's try something out. Take any two differently sized circles. I'm using a paper plate and a coin I found. Secure the larger circle either by having a friend hold on to it for you or by using a little bit of tape. Now what you're going to want to do is take the smaller circle and hold it out at arm's length and close one eye. See if it overlaps the larger circle. If it doesn't, take a few more steps back and try again until the smaller circle completely overlaps the larger circle. What we found here is the spot where the smaller object appears to look the same size as the bigger object, despite being completely different sizes. Even though the moon is about 400 times smaller than the sun, it's also about 400 times closer to us. So when both the sun and the moon appear in the sky, the moon can completely cover up the sun and cause a total solar eclipse. Try this at home and see if you can find the point where objects appear to be the same size, despite being completely different. Eclipses are all about perspective and distances. The distance and angle of the moon can vary throughout the year, so sometimes instead of a total solar eclipse, we can get a partial solar eclipse when the moon only covers part of the sun, or an annular solar eclipse when the sun peeks out around the moon so it looks like a big ring of fire. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.